Welcome to Lost in Lake. Today we are at Miramar Pineland Natural Area. So our goal is to go to this right here, where it's the restored wetland. So we got to figure out what it is and what's in it in there for us to know. And there's so many rules and regulation. Right now it's daylight saving. They closed it early. So, but here it is. So this is the beginning of a trail. So just this is where the parking lot is. There's a few cars, and this is there probably the clubhouse. So let's just dive in inside. Walk with me to see what we can see and what we can discover here. So this looks like it's very well designed. It's newly built for people to visit. So as you can see, the trail is actually brand new. Those trees looks like been there for a while, but again, let's see what we can discover. Okay. Whoa, it's those are just retarded trees. Those are nothing going on, and since it's winter time, so this is why the trees are more drying out, and but still have some little greener out there. I don't know how far I have to go or walk in order for me to see the wetland. And let's see. So there's some things that you can be able to see it here. I see that one gentleman coming in. I'm gonna ask him to see how far it is before you get to the water. Wow, I already can see this sound. How far is the water from here? How far is the water?
Yeah.
Get to the water.
Yeah.
How far?
Left.
Yeah. All right, thank you. Looks like the gentleman speaks Spanish, so he didn't understand much, but he just told me to go to left. Then I'll be able to see the water. Did you hear the sound of Zizi sound? There's so many wildlife here. Wow. All right, that's nice. They have two benches here. Okay, I do see a sign. It's 0.13 miles this way and 0.56 miles. So this is where the water is going to be. But, oh man, I'm really scared with the sound. Those trees are whew. All right, so basically this is between Miramar is between Miami and Broward County, so like Dead and Broward County. So we're at the corner of it. This is where the Miramar Parkland is. Well, I pass by when I go to the I-95, John Pike, but never actually stop by in this area. So this is the first time I'm here to sharing with you what I can discover. But just take a look at this. It's really nothing but a wild jungle here. See this? Wow. This is surprising. You don't feel like this is Florida sometimes, because you don't see the long trees. You see only just look. Whoa. Man, so far I haven't seen any snakes or any other warning. The pathway, the trail path is actually pretty clean. They do organize this. They maintain this. I don't know, everywhere they have two benches together. So it's like they're thinking that people comes here with the group. So everyone will have chance to sit. Ooh. I guess we're almost here. Whoa. I see the wire bridge went out. All right. 5 minutes to the video. You see a gazebo over here already. I didn't bring my drone with me. I'll just so you guys know, my drone is back. They couldn't fix it, so they actually sent me a new one. All right, take a look. Wow. Woo! This is good. All right, this is totally made out of aluminum. It's great. So this is just that. Whoa, the water, I can see it all the way up there. Our goal is to get to that, closer to that water. We'll see how far we can go and what we can see. All right, I just don't want to come by myself here, man. A little scary, I gotta be honest with you. All right, this is it. Look at the place. Huh. There's nobody's around this time, but look, here's the water. All right, but from a turnpike, I did see huge, but this is doesn't look that big. Okay. All right, this is probably where. I don't know if I want to walk by myself down this sand. I'm really nervous because it could have a wildlife and I really don't feel comfortable. But if there's someone with me, then I probably would take a chance to go get closer to the water. It's like it's nobody here, nobody around me. All right, I gotta figure that out if I can use the drone shots to cover that lake. All right, I guess that's all it is in this video. I mean, there's nothing more that I can, well, only thing I can try to see if I can get down a little bit and get closer to that. But again, I don't know what's in there. Just too much jungle before you even get to the water. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna call it a day on this video. If stick around, if I have the drone, you probably know it in advance, or my thumbnail that I have a drone shot. All right, I'm heading back, but I choose to take another route so you can see what's going on the other side. Looks like they have a lighting system here at night. So unfortunately, since the daylight saving, they shut this preserve down as soon as the sun goes down. So we're talking about a 5:30, 6 o'clock. I don't know, they have, what is this? I don't know, this is, looks like a well. Wow. Huh. That really try to preserve this. Ta-da. The scary part is I'm by myself at the middle of nowhere. There's nobody on this times comes here to enjoy this. But again, it is what it is. Okay, this is alright. This kind of shade. Look, whoa! I actually insert where, whoa, the trees are hovering over the trail. Really nice. I hope there's no snakes. That's what I'm afraid the most sometimes. Okay. Oh, this side there's a lot of bird. Take a look. Magic. This is magnetic birds thing. The winter or spring. Huh. This is like probably another trail, but it's not. solid. Look at this tree. It looks like 100 years old. So the lake is only the one side of this preserve. So again, I'll try to get a shot. If not, just gotta deal with this for now. Okay. So there's a lot of bird. Turtle. Oh my gosh! Look at snakes. I was not kidding. They do have snakes. Oh look, another one. Oh shoot! I gotta watch out now more. Probably those snakes are not harmful. Oh no, I really don't want to see it, whether they're harmful or not harmful. I gotta carry a stick around me, with me. Oh, I don't think it's a good idea for me to walk in this jungle by myself. What do you guys think? Seriously, I'm really nervous seeing the snake images. Oh man. Alright. I'm really scared. Oh. Shh. Oh man. I don't know why I choose to come by myself today. Last time I saw a snake on somewhere around this type of area, they were just man, I'm not even making sound because I know snakes scared of the sound too. Take a look at this, man. Whew. This preserve is really nice. Next time I come, probably not by myself, probably with the friends and family, maybe. Alright, if you guys wanted to join on my next adventure, something like this, please let me know if you're interested. Wow, it's really cool. I mean, if you like this type of nature, but again, you got to be watch out for the wild animals. Other than that, it's kind of cool. So I'll call it a day. I'm gonna cut it out now. Just I gotta go back to the parking lot, so I just gotta be careful that the snake doesn't jump from anywhere. All right. So that's all for now in this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye. All right. Good news. I actually, when I did the drone shot, I was able to see there's actually a trail path went by the lake. So as I was walking in, there's this huge section for children. They have a playground. They have a gazebo for the parking, picnic area. They have water splashes. They have so many things. There's a two canopy there for to have actually picnic events, and there's the playground area as well. So just, oh my God, that is fully loaded. So it looks like if you come to this, okay, there we go. Look at this, alligators. So this is where the trail path went out to the lake. So this is actually getting longer than I expected. So just this video would have your entire preserve area walking record, as well as the drone shots. So and lastly is the closer to the lake shots as well. All right, so let's just dive into this one. Just you probably see the highway. There's actually a turnpike. All right, just take a look. Okay, this is where it is. History of change. So there was the history. So that actually doesn't have a date. However, this is what the new trends are. Okay. So see, this is where it started. It's kind of wet. Whoa. So there's no alligator. I mean, there is alligator, but there can't be alligator without enough water in here. All right. No swimming or fishing allowed, so too bad for people who love to fish. So if you expect it, you can fish here. Unfortunately, you cannot. But look at that trail pad that I saw. Wow. Woo-hoo. Oh man, this is that. Oh man, I'm so happy that they actually have trail pad went over the lake, which is amazing. I mean, it just that fulfilled my desire. Okay, they should have all the lake. They should have a deck over the lake or the pier. So this lake or this county made it. It's the Miramar Parkway. They did an amazing job on this one. Okay, so they even have a sitting area with the shade on. Take a look at the trail path. Actually went over the water. Oh man, I'm excited now. Oh, no kidding. Look at the crystal clear water. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I was gonna miss out on this. Take a look. I don't know if you can see how clear the water is. Just take a look. You can see a different shades of the water. OMG. So man, I was gonna miss out if I was not taking the shots. Look, they have look like a chorre the poste. This like they have oh man, I lost the word. Look at the water, it's a different shade of water. That's how crystal clear this. Okay, this is what I would actually discover when I run the drone shots. I saw that there's a trail path went over, and then this is what I have to figure out how far, because this is a huge area. Take a look how crystal you can see the roots of those trees. I don't know what those are. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo. And look at my right side. Oh man, this is worth coming. I mean, those of you, like I said, forget about the fishing. If you like the lake and if you really want to enjoy this, you must come here and you'll blow your mind. I mean, you gotta come at least once. Oh my, I passed by so many times thinking of stopping by, which I never did. I mean, there was no reason for it, but now it looks like they actually designed it to people like me to come and enjoy the lake, which is perfect. Okay, so that it's not too big. You see how the curved shapes this is? Just to see this lake. Oh man, this is amazing. Wow. All right, I'm probably not gonna make it any longer. This is already 4 minutes on this, so this is probably went back to the same trail path. But again, look, but right here, a little bit of, oh snap. Okay, this is just a little bit of the end of this side of the lake. Okay, so this is what it is. All right, that's all for now in this video, guys. I'm seriously not kidding. This water is so crystal clear. You got to come here and enjoy this. And I wish I could have got to the middle of this, but there's no access for it. But again, thank you for watching. Okay, if you like this kind of video, please like, share, comment, and let me know what you guys want to see next time. Okay, take a look, closer view. Oof, my gosh, this is amazing. Okay, stick around until at the end of the video for a drone shot. Thank you. You have a good one. Bye bye.